السلام عليكم ورحمة الله، حياكم جميع الطلاب. انت بحل نماذج اختبار قدرات لجامعة الكويت للرياضيات باللغة الانكليزية. We will continue with this one. So, question one, I will solve question one in two ways, okay? I will give you a crazy way, okay, to solve this. You will love that way, okay? So, the first thing, the question 6x squared minus 11x minus 10 equals 0. It's really easy. What are you going to do? It's go to the choices. For example, the first choice, okay? Just change the sign and write it down. Plus 5 over 3, and instead of 1, it's minus 1, okay? The choice B, as well, change the sign and write it down. It will become negative 5 over 3 and positive 1. C, it's as well, you have to write positive 5 over 2 negative, just write it down, positive 5 over 2 negative 2 over 3. The last choice as well, just change the sign, negative 5 over 2 positive 2 over 3. The next step is just multiply all of them by this number in front of x squared. That's mean times 6 times and find out the answer. Equals. This cancel with this 2. 2 times 5, 10. Minus 6, it will become 4. Is that equal negative 11? So not. So the first answer is not correct. We will see next one, the B. Cancel with this, it's 2. Negative 5 times 2, negative 10, plus 6, it will become minus 4. Is that equal minus 11? No, this is wrong answer. Next one, cancel this with this 3. 5 times 3, 15. This with this 2. 2 times 2, 4. 15 minus 4 plus 11. I need minus 11, so this is wrong answer. The last one, this with this 3, this times this negative 15, this with this 2, 2 times 2, 4, so negative 11. So this is the correct answer. This is the really easy way if you don't want to factor or solve it, okay? I will solve this question, the same question, with the original way. 6x squared minus 11x minus 10 equals 0. I will factor and find out the answer. So if we want to factor, because there is a problem, it's 6, okay? This 6, okay? What I'm going to do with this times this negative 60, right? X squared minus 11x. You have to multiply the first number with the last. So equals 0. I will factor this. Two numbers, multiplication negative 60 and adding, subtraction negative 11. The numbers is x minus 15, x plus 4. Because this times this negative 60, this with this negative 4. You may ask how I find out 15 and 4. You just, you have to write, for example, 1 times 60, it's 60. 2 times 30, 60. 3 times 20, 60. 4 times 15, 60. So this is negative, okay? So one of them positive and next negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, okay? So which of these gave me negative 11? This now negative 59, this negative 28, negative 17, this is negative 11, okay? So we haven't finished yet, okay? There is more, one step, okay? I have to return this number, okay? Where I have to put this one? Right there, right there. So it will become x minus divide 3, 5 over 2 x plus divide 2 2 over 3, so equals 0. May the first equal 0, may x minus 5 over 2 equal 0, so x, shift this to other side, 5 over 2, or the next one equals 0, that's mean x plus 2 over 3 equals 0, so shift this to other side, x equal negative 2 over 3. Okay, this is the solution. So you have to choose one of these methods. I hope you understand that. Next question, the solution set of, we have this equation, x squared minus 2 equal x. So you have to know the absolute value of x. Have two choices, okay? Maybe x or negative x. This value, this x when x more than or equal 0, x less than 0. So I have two way, the first one and the next second one. So this one I have to write x squared minus 2 equal, as I told you, it's x, as I told you, this absolute value have two ways, x and negative x. So first time I have to replace it by x, in the next one I replace it negative x. Okay, so I will see the answer. So don't forget this one when x more than or equal 0, and this x less than of 0. Okay, don't forget this, x when more than or equal 0, x less than a 0. So we will find out the equation. We will shift this to first side, x squared minus x minus 2 equal 0. It's 1. Okay, we have to factor this one, two numbers multiplication, negative 2 adding negative 1, it is x minus 2 x plus 1. So maybe the first equals 0, so shift this to other side, x equal 2, or the next one equals 0, x plus 1 equals 0, so x equal, shift this to other side, negative 1. But we have condition, x, it has to be positive or 0 at least. So this negative, we reject this one, okay, rejected. We just have this x equal to this one as well. Shift this to other side, first side, x squared plus x minus 2 equal 0. So I have to factor two numbers multiplication, negative 2 adding plus 1. It's x plus 2 x minus 1, because plus 2 times negative 1 negative 2, plus 2 and minus 1, it's plus 1. Maybe the first equals 0, x plus 2 equals 0, so shift this to other side, x equal negative 2, or the next equals 0, x minus 1 equals 0, so shift this to other side, x equal plus 1. But this is the condition, it has to be negative, okay? We don't accept positive, so this rejected. This is the only solution, x equal negative 2. So the solutions is negative 2 and positive 2. We have two solutions, but there is no in any choices that, so the correct answer is none of the previous. Okay, next question. 7 minus x, absolute value more than 5. I will give you a really easy way. So first thing, you have to remove absolute value. This one repeated right there. 5, what is opposite? It's negative 5. So I have to make this just x. So this is positive 7, right? How can I remove it? By adding something opposite, like add negative 7, like add negative 7 for all sides. Okay, negative 7, negative 7. So this cancelled with this. We have just negative 1x more than negative 2 less than negative 12. Negative x, it's the same, negative 1x. Okay, so I have negative 1x, I need just x alone. Divide both all sides by negative 1, negative 1. So this with this, we have x. Because we divide by negative number, we have to switch. More, it's become less. More, less. This with this, 2 over 1, 2. This with this, 12 over 1, it is 12. So how can I write the interval? Write this, union, this. All time we have to write negative infinitive, positive infinitive. Small numbers in the beginning, the bigger number in the second one. Okay, this is the answer. So the answer is which one? D, I guess. I hope you understand that very well. Next one, it's really easy, not really much. So we have this inequalities more than 0, x plus 5, x minus 2, plus 3. So before you will start, you have to look at this. What does that mean, more than 0? That means we need positive solutions only. We don't accept negative. Keep that in mind. So what are you going to do if you have this one? You have to take the up and make it 0. That's mean x plus 5 times x minus 2 equals 0. And take the down and make it 0 as well. X plus 3 equals 0. So solve this one, the first and the second. Solve it. Maybe the first equals 0, x plus 5 equals 0. So shift this to other side, x equal negative 5. Or the next one equals 0, x minus 2 equals 0. So shift this to other side, x equal positive 2. So we have two solutions for now. Next one in the down, shift this to other side, x equal negative 3. So we have three solutions. I will write it down in number line. This negative infinitive, this positive infinitive. The numbers are negative 5, negative 3, positive 2. Okay, so which intervals are accepted? We will see that. Okay, we will see. So we will start with for example, between negative 3 and positive 2. Give me a number between them. Maybe 0, right? I will go to up and substitution by 0. It will become 0 plus 5 times 0 minus 2 over 0 plus 3. That's mean 5 times negative 2, negative 10 over 3. Negative 10 over 3. What does that mean? That means I get negative solution. So in this one, we will write it negative. Okay, take another number, for example, between 2 and positive infinitive. From this to this. Which numbers between 2 and infinitive? I guess, just a minute. It is, for example, just a minute. For example, 3, okay? We will substitution by 3. 3, 3. So, 3 plus 5, 8. Times 1, 8 over 3, 8 over 3. It's positive, okay? It is positive solution. As well, in this one, you will get positive, negative, okay? If you, for example, choose numbers between this and this, for example, negative 4, you will get positive solution. If you take number like negative 8 in this one, you will get negative solutions. So, as I told you, I need what's in the beginning more than 0. That's been positive, okay? So, the solution is from this to this, and from this to this. From this, that's mean negative 5, to this, negative 3, union. From this, positive 2, to positive infinity, okay? I think, which one is correct? This one, I guess. Negative 5, negative 3 to positive infinity. Okay? Just you have to take the up, make it 0 and find the solutions. take the down, make it 0, and find the solutions. Put them on number line. After that, just take numbers between these numbers, between -3 and +2, for example 0. Substitution by 0. If you have what, get negative, write negative as well for the others. So I need positive numbers, solutions, more than 0. So this is not accepted because negative, negative, I need this and this. If they told us the inequalities was like less than 0, so it will become this one, it's rejected, this and this are accepted. Next question. If z equals 2x w plus 2y w plus 2yx, 2xw, 2yw, 2yx. Find out, then they need the value of y, okay, alone. So I have this y, so this we have to shift it to other side, okay. I need y alone, minus 2xw equals, so these they are have a common factor. What is the common factor? It's y. So this, it will stay 2w, this 2x. I still don't have y alone, so divide both sides by 2w plus 2x, 2w plus 2x. This cancel with this, we got y alone equals this z minus 2xw over 2w plus 2x. Okay, I guess the first one is correct, 2x, 2w. Okay, next question, that you need to simplify this one. -1 over x minus 1 plus 2 over x minus 2. It's too easy, right? Okay, you will write fraction. This times this, that's mean -1 times x minus 2 plus this times this, 2 times x minus 1, the same, 2x minus 1 times 2, doesn't matter, and this times this, x minus 1, x minus 2. Okay, so we will find out -1 times x, negative x, -1 times -2, it's positive 2, plus 2 times x, 2x, 2 times -1, -2, and in the down, x minus 1, x minus 2. You will say why you don't remove the brackets, parentheses in down, because in the answers they didn't do that, so I don't have. So this cancelled with this, 2x minus x, it's x, over x minus 1, x minus 2. This is the correct answer. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, just let a comment in the video below. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.